this form of walking actually changed my running style. I've been incorporating it with running, especially switching from really thick soles of running, really supportive shoes to more like the Vibram toe shoe style of running shoe. And it has absolutely changed the way that I run. And last week I went on a run, which was about 15 miles, and felt absolutely nothing at the end of it. Like I felt energized. I was eating the same amount of nutrition I usually eat. It's not like I needed to eat or have any more nutrition to feel this energy. Drank probably less water than I usually drink and didn't feel sore at all at the end of the run. This is with like 3,000 feet elevation change on trails, very dynamic. It was so accommodating to that dynamic environment, which was the best part. It was like I was constantly reacting to it. So it felt really good to be in this place where I'm like consciously thinking about moving myself more in alignment to like this feminine, watery kind of way of living, as opposed to this hyper masculinized, hyper militarized state of existence that we've all been subjected to and taught that this is the way we do it. Yeah, it's shifting my entire worldview, and I'm very appreciative.
For information on our more extended trainings, which offer continuing education credits for providers of all kinds, email us at practices@flowismedicine.com. And be sure to follow us on social media.